Hi, this is Alex from phpacademy.org and back with another video for the new Boston. Now in this tutorial we are going to go on from our previous tutorial where we installed XAMPP for Windows. Now that we're at this stage where we've installed installed XAMPP, we've accessed localhost, we've tested that PHP works, so we've run our MySQL databases for when we look at databases a lot later on. And we've also brought to attention the XAMPP control panel here, which allows us to start and stop particular services. And the services that we've focused on are Apache and MySQL, because these are two that we're going to use most frequently. Okay, so now this tutorial is basically going to cover how to create your first PHP file, and we're going to do some little bit of output in it, nothing major because we have other tutorials explaining output and the PHP info function as well. So have a look at the other tutorials and you'll find some great information on that. Okay, so let's go ahead and we need to think about opening up this folder here. Let me just bring it into view. This folder here called XAMPP, and this is at c:\\xampp by default. Depending on how you installed your XAMPP installation, depending on how you run the installation, this might be different, but by default it's c:\\xampp, or whatever drive you've installed it to, so replace this with the right letter. Okay, so in here we've got a few folders you can see, some of which are useful to us, some of which are not. We have our PHP installation folder, which contains all our DLLs, php.ini, so let's find that, php.ini here, etc. So there's another tutorial on php.ini, so go and check that out. Okay, so htdocs is the folder that I want to focus on in this tutorial because we're going to be creating our first file. Now inside htdocs at the moment it's a bit of a mess